C1 Algebra, GCSE Review, examples 48 and 49. 48a. 27 to the power 2/3. One way you might want to do this question is to split it up as 27 to the power 1/3, and in brackets, and then square that at the end. If we remember, when there's brackets, we multiply the powers. So 1/3 multiplied by 2 gives the power of 2/3. So 27 to the power 1/3, remember that means the cube root of 27. And we're going to square it. So the cube root of 27 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. Another way you might do it is raise over root, if you remember this rule. With fractional powers, so the top number or the numerator is 2, so we raise it to the power 2, and the denominator is 3, so we take the cube root 27 squared. Now it's much easier to cube root 27 first before squaring 27. So if we cube root 27 we get 3, and then square it, get 9. Another way you might do it is you might split 27 or rewrite 27 as 3 cubed. And then we will raise into the power 2/3. And then if we remember, we've got brackets here, we need to multiply. So 3 multiplied by 2/3 is 2. So we've got 3 squared, which is 9. In part B, if we write that as 4 to the power 1/2, and in brackets, then -1. Remember that we multiply with brackets, so 1/2 multiplied by -1 gives us the power of -1/2. So we've got 4 to the power 1/2, which remember the power of 1/2 means we square root. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the -1 is 1/2. In part C, got 9 to the power 1/2. Then we're going to raise to the power 4. Again, remember 9 to the power 1/2. It's the square root of 9, which is 3. And then 3 to the power 4 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 81. In part D, remember anything to the power 0 is always 1, so 15 to the power 0 is 1. Example 49. Notice the powers are the same in this example, so this can be written as AB to the power n. If you want to use an example there, you could use 2 squared, so A is 2, multiplied by 3 squared. So notice the powers are the same. A is 2, B is 3. 2 squared, which is 4, multiplied by 3 squared, which is 9, which gives us 36. Now if we use this now, if we use AB to the power n, so if we multiply A and B, A is 2, B is 3, n was 2, got 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, 6 squared is 36. So with an example you can see that that rule works also. In part B, an equivalent expression. So equivalent just means the same, so also means the same as. We can also write that as A over b all to the power n. Notice that the power is the same on the numerator and the denominator. So this is an equivalent expression. And again, if you want to use an example to show that that works, let's use a as 2 again, and n as 2, b as 3, n is 2, 2 squared, which is 4, over 3 squared, which is 9. So that was using a to the power n over b to the power n. Let's look at our equivalent expression. If a was 2, and b was 3, n was 2, so we're going to square 2/3. When we're squaring a fraction, we square the numerator, 2 squared is 4, square the denominator, 3 squared is 9. Both of those expressions give us the same answer.